Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to turn off all live video notifications for someone on Instagram. If you're tired of getting those constant pop-ups every time a person goes live, or just want a cleaner, quieter Instagram experience, this guide will help you fix that in just a few quick steps. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account before starting. Once you're on your home screen, head over to the profile of the person whose live notifications you want to turn off. You can do this by either searching their name in the search bar or tapping their profile from your followers or following list. When you're on their profile, look directly beneath their bio. You'll see a button that says Following. Tap on it. This opens up a small menu with a few options related to how you interact with their account. Now, find the notifications icon. It's shaped like a little bell at the top of that menu. Tap on it. This is where you can manage what kind of notifications you get from this person. Inside this notifications menu, you'll see several categories like posts, stories, reels, and live videos. Look for live videos. If it's currently on, you'll be receiving alerts every time that user goes live. To stop that, simply toggle off the live videos option or select off for all. That's it. You've now successfully turned off all live video notifications for that account. From now on, you won't get any more alerts when they start a live session, but you can still see their lives if you visit their profile or catch them in your feed. It just won't interrupt your day anymore. And that's all there is to it. A few simple taps and your Instagram notifications are perfectly tailored to your preferences. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to help you take control of your social media experience.